Today, we're fixing to install our brand new gas tank. First, we've got to take this bench seat out.
How we doing?
Doing good. How about you?
Good.
I need a gas tank for a 1965 Chevrolet C10.
Okay. Stock location?
Yes, sir.
CUNY gas tank solution here is, kind of terrible. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, here's how we're gonna uninstall this. Just take everything out. Get this here, that, and problem solved.
This is gonna take a while, so cue the montage.
Do you need help?
A little tonk back here. Come on, get off of it. There we go. Just get off of there nicely. Come on.
Resume the montage.
Dad got this off of Evil Bay.
Evil Bay.
It's an original tag.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
From 65 in Arkansas.
And then we have the good old Coweta, Georgia, Peach State.
Okay, I need your help getting this
I'm
off.
surprised this doesn't happen in God We Trust.
Now stop piddling around
Was that just
and
not
help
how
a guy get this thing off. That's a color. That's not galvanized. Y'all should go watch Vice Grip Garage. This is where we got our that's where we got our inspiration from.
This is what
Too big. So run to Home Depot and get new screws, or get a boring set and just Can you move that gas line? That goes there. And then this has to go down. Pick it up and then shove it in.
Well, complete. I need some boards.
Fixed. Perfect.
Wait, were those straps supposed to keep it safe?
Yeah. Scratched it up. It's okay. I need to be careful with it because that's going to be a rust spot. Huh? I think it'll ratchet down. There's, yeah, we'll stop there.